Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily customize the fingerprint unlock animation on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, what we want to do is we want to go to the fingerprint settings. So we're going to go over to the settings app. Now what we want to do is we want to go over into home screen, lock screen and style. Here, what you want to do is we want to go and scroll until you see more. Now click fingerprint animation. Here we have our fingerprint settings and we can set none, so there will be nothing. We got the transparency, we got the Ethereal, we got the halo, ring, Fizz, bubble, Stardust and Flare. We got a lot of those options. I'll choose the Fizz, and as you guys can see, once I set this up, whenever I go here, I will see it as my unlocking animation. So here we can set it up. Also, we got the custom one. We can make our own emojis. For example, we can put it like this, and as you guys can see, here we have the color. We can click done, and as you guys can see, we got the custom icon. Now it's gone, so we can select it and let's see how it looks like. So we got the football, we're gonna click on it and it's basically done. So that's how you guys can easily customize the fingerprint unlock animation. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.